Hey guys, my name is Jonathan Henderson. I'm the owner of Pressure Washing Marketing Pros, and today what I want to talk to you guys about is the 3 things that we did with Curb Appeal Power Clean to get them #1 rankings for keywords like pressure washing Los Angeles, right? They ranked #1 for pressure washing Los Angeles, window cleaning Los Angeles. As you guys can see, they ranked #1 for window cleaning in Los Angeles, and roof cleaning Los Angeles. As you can see, they ranked #1 for roof cleaning in Los Angeles, right? Because these 3 things I see exterior cleaning companies not doing at all, right? So let's get right to the video. I want to show you these guys things so that you guys can get more organic traffic to your website, right? Because this has done wonders for Mike's business. He's hired more employees, he's just gotten more leads, more customers, all of that, right? Because the organic traffic that we've generated, or the organic traffic that we've generated to his website that have turned leads into sales, right? So I'm going to show you guys these 3 things that you guys can do for your website so that you guys are ranking for these keywords, right? So the first thing that I want to talk about is the structure of your website, right? So a lot of you guys a lot of the pressure washing websites that we come across aren't even properly structured to rank well on search engines such as Google for these type of keywords, right? So what do I mean by that? Well, first things first is you want to make sure that for each page on your website, you're targeting just one keyword, right? So for example, on the home page here, we're just targeting pressure washing in Los Angeles or pressure washing Los Angeles. Because why are we targeting this keyword? Well, this keyword brings, as you guys can see right here, this keyword has a search volume of 260. You know what I mean? So that means 260 people are looking up this search term every single month, which is why we target that for his home page. And my rule of thumb, it's not the end all be all, but my rule of thumb has always been like, whatever keyword is going to generate my client the most traffic to their website, that is what we need to target on the home page, so that is what we do, right? Each page needs to have one particular keyword on there that it's targeting. My next, going in the same thing about the structure of the website, make sure that you have separate service pages for each one of these services that you guys are providing, right? So if you're doing roof cleaning, driveway cleaning, have a separate service page for that. I see too many pressure washing businesses where my boy Solomon out of Diamond Power Washers, the owner of Diamond Power Washers out of Manassas, Virginia, he wanted a shout out. So as you can see for his website right here, he's trying to target concrete cleaning, deck cleaning, fence cleaning, rust removal, all on one page. This other pressure washing business. Now, I don't know this guy personally right here, so I don't want anybody to castrate me or be like, hey, I don't think, I just don't know this guy, but I'm just talking about his website. So when it comes to like, he's trying to target house washing, gutter cleaning, paver, cleaning and sealing, rust removal, all of that. He's trying to target that all on one page, which if you guys can kind of see what that's going to do, it's going to spread your, it's going to spread your relevancy thin. It's going to spread it thin because how am I expected to rank for roof cleaning if I'm also talking about gutter cleaning and all of this kind of stuff? So I see a lot of pages where they'll just have like our residential services and they'll talk about all this residential services that they provide, like driveway cleaning, driveway cleaning, roof cleaning, window cleaning, gutter cleaning. And how do you expect to rank for gutter cleaning if you have window cleaning, driveway cleaning, and all these other services on that one page? You're not going to be able to do it, So that's how we were able to go ahead and get him ranked on that because we created, #1, the first step is we created and we structured his website in the proper way, like I said. And going on that, when you're making these service pages, it's not just about making these separate service pages, right? So you want to have in-depth content on here. You want to have in-depth content on each one of these, on each one of these pages that you have when you're creating these separate service pages. So as you guys can see right now on this roof cleaning page, we talk about common problems that indicate you need your roof cleaned, right? He has a video on here. He talks about what the roof cleaning services includes, the types of roofs they clean, the benefits of getting your roof cleaned by Curb Appeal Power Clean, right? He talks about all of that stuff in depth. And so by us structuring it this way, we can, when we make these separate service pages, we can just hyper focus on this keyword, roof cleaning Los Angeles, and we can hyper focus on that, right? Because like I said, if you're trying to target multiple services on one page, as you guys can see with, like, for example, window cleaning, right? These guys, America's Best Ink, they're trying to target window cleaning and pressure washing in Los Angeles. And guess what? That's the reason why they don't rank above us, because they're trying to target 2 things at once, which is just spreading themselves thin. They're not hyper-focused like we are. We're hyper-focused. This is why we're able to do it. So that's why I say the first thing is structure. So make sure each page on your website is only targeting one particular keyword and you're going hyper-focused on that. Number 2 is blogging. Whenever you have these services and you have multiple services, blog about your multiple services. Blog about your multiple services, right? So if you have window cleaning, blog about window cleaning. Make blogs about window cleaning. Make blogs about gutter cleaning if you do that. For pressure washing, make blogs about pressure washing. And you guys can come up with a lot of content topics, right? So for example, like we're focusing on gutter cleaning right now for him. What clogged gutters can do to your home, types of water damage caused by clogged gutters, the do's and don'ts of gutter downspouts and gutter guards, the dangers of do-it-yourself gutter cleaning, right? Because what this does is it allows you to go even more in depth about that topic than just on your service page. So that, this is how Google looks at it. If we're ranking number 1 for window cleaning like this, then at that point they go, not only do these guys go hyper-focus on that service page, but they also go in depth about it in their blog as well. So what does that make us seem in Google's eyes? The more authoritative and the more relevant search result to the customer, right? So that's why they rank us ahead of this, because we go hyper-focused in on that. It's the same thing, like, as you can see, this is another blog post, 7 reasons to clean your roof. We have several roof cleaning blog posts on this. And we make these blog posts on a continuous month-to-month basis to build that relevancy to the website so that we can rank for this. Now, the third and last thing is not just to blog, right? You don't want to just blog just to blog. What's the reason behind blogging, right? Well, there's plenty of reasons. Like I just gave you guys, it feeds Google more content, gives you more relevancy, all of that. But the biggest thing that it does is it allows us to make the website more authoritative. And I will tell you guys, when it comes to ranking for keywords like pressure washing Los Angeles, right? We've all heard in the industry when you've been, reached out by an SEO company and they talk about they'll be able to give you more backlinks. They'll be able to do this and that, right? Essentially what backlinks are they are websites that link to your website, right? That's all that they are. So think about it like this, right? It's kind of like a referral, like how somebody recommends you, right? So that's kind of how it is here. So the more of these websites that you have referring back to your website, the more authoritative your website's going to be, which makes it easier to rank. So for example, this keyword, this tool Ahrefs that I use, it's very expensive, but I love it. I recommend it to all SEO agencies. But as you guys can see, we estimate that you'll need backlinks from 9 websites to rank in the top 10 for this keyword. So it says you need at least 9 websites to refer back to your website to rank in the top 10 for this keyword. And as you guys can see, we have 54 websites, domains linking. We have 54 websites referring, or as you guys want to call it, linking back to our website. These guys have 3,000, but that's why I said it matters about page structure, it matters about the depth of content and things like that on why you can rank. But as you guys can see, all these other search results we have, besides these guys, we have more backlinks than them, which backlinks and websites that refer to you play a big role. Well, you ask, how do I get these websites to go ahead and do that? Well, when you blog consistently like this, it makes it easy for you to go ahead and reach out to these other websites to have them link back to your website, right? So like these guys, Resident Style, for your website, you guys don't want, for a pressure washing website, exterior cleaning website, whether it be window cleaning, any of that, right? You want websites that talk about home improvement, that talk about exterior cleaning, any type of cleaning or any type of home improvement, decor, whatever it may be, right? So this blog that we found, Resident Style, we saw that they blogged about why roof cleaning is important for homes and why you should get a professional to do it, right? So what we did is we reached out to them and we said, hey guys, and guess what? I'm about to click this link. We said, hey guys, we have a blog post that talks about, 7 reasons to clean your roof. Would you guys mind linking to that? And they said, no problem, because we think that this information will be valuable coming from a real credible pressure washing business, a pressure washing business that provides roof cleaning services. Because at first they didn't have any other, you see right here, they talked about home remodeling uses for Christmas, and they linked that back to their own blog post. And then they linked this to WikiHow, right? As you guys can see down there, they linked this in the bottom, right here on the bottom, and they linked that to WikiHow, right? So they didn't have a credible resource. So we provided that to them. And so this is not an easy task to do, This is something that, SEO agencies definitely should be doing for, companies on a consistent basis, is getting them and generating them links to make the website more authoritative, right? So that's what my team has done, with Mike, is that we make these blog posts because think about it. These kind of websites aren't going to want to link to your homepage. It provides their users no value. And even other pressure washing businesses that might link to you, they're not going to link to your homepage as well either. They're not going to link to that as well because it provides them no value. So make it win-win, which is why we blog, which is why we, reach out to these type of businesses and they link back to our website. And we do this on a month-to-month basis. So over time, we become more authoritative and we rank for several keywords like this. This is why it takes so long to rank, guys, when it comes to SEO. And this is why it takes time to let those results marinate, right? But hopefully this video helped you guys out. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what you guys can do in structuring your website and, creating content and getting these links to make your website more authoritative so that you guys can rank better on search engines and get the same results that Mike is getting at Curb Appeal Power Clean. But other than that, though, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Mike, for letting me break down your website, and I will see you guys in the next video.